to see a recruitment news from Google. A lot of people actually want to get into these higher end companies like Google, Intel, Cisco. So we'll be doing job updates from these companies also from today onwards. Okay. I was receiving a lot of requests regarding job updates from these companies also. We'll be including the private companies also. Okay. So today we are going to see about a recruitment news from Google. It is for freshers or newly graduated people. Okay. So let us see the details. So, so the post name is Software Engineer University Graduate. That is, if you are freshly graduated from university, then they are looking for a fresh mind or a fresh person who have recently graduated. Okay. And also they have mentioned that if you are applying for this job, your resume will be forwarded to the locations like Bangalore, Karnataka, Hyderabad and Telangana. And if there is any openings, your resume will be analyzed and you will be called. Okay. So that is how the recruitment is going to happen. Next, the minimum qualification they are saying is you should be having a bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience. Okay, so you should be having a bachelor's degree in any discipline. They are not mentioning any areas as such, but they have again mentioned some preferred qualifications. The minimum qualification they have mentioned is not any higher degree or anything, but just bachelor's degree or equivalent experience. Okay, then also they have mentioned that you should be having an experience working with Linux, Windows, Unix and Mac environments, distributed systems, machine learning, information retrieval and TCP/IP. That is, you should be having a working experience in these areas. But again, they have not mentioned it as a desirable, that is, it is just a desirable thing. They have not mentioned the experience in years. So it is a fresher's job. Okay. Next one. Also, you should be having a experience in the languages like C, C++, Java or Python. That is, you should be having some experience working with the programming languages, that is some basic programming languages, and also some operating system knowledge. That is all they are looking for. Okay. Also, they have mentioned the preferred qualification as master's degree or PhD. It is just preferred qualification, but if you have a bachelor's degree also, you can apply. Okay. So that is the case for qualification. Also, they have not mentioned any age limit as such, and the salary that they are offering, they have not actually mentioned in this page, but if you Google about the salary they are offering, it will be starting from 900K per annum. Okay, so that is the salary range you can expect if you are getting qualified. Okay, also they have mentioned in detail about the nature of this job, what are they looking for. So they are actually looking for some fresh minds and fresh ideas to the organization, and they want some innovative things to happen in the organization. If you read this page, you will get a very clear idea about what they are actually looking for. Also, they have mentioned what are the responsibilities when you are getting into this job. Okay, that is the responsibilities of this job role they have mentioned. That is research, conceive and develop software applications to extend and improve Google product offering. So just like a development project. Okay, that is development type of working it will be. Okay, so that is the responsibilities. And regarding the job, if you want to have a look, that is, you can read this page, you will get a very clear idea. Okay, anyway, so these are the details regarding the job. Now talking about the selection process. So this is the freshers job. Okay, so for freshers, for all big MNCs, they will be conducting an initial online test. Also, there will be multiple rounds of technical interviews will be there, because you are a fresher, no? So in order to hire the fresh minds or freshers job or freshers post, they will be conducting online test. Then there will be interviews. It's technical interviews will be there. Afterwards, there will be HR interviews. So this is the normal procedure you can see, but they have again not mentioned regarding what is the selection process or anything, but you can expect all these things. Okay, so there will be test and interviews, technical interviews and HR interviews. Okay, so that is the the selection procedure. Talking about the application procedure, here you can see that there is a directly a link is given. There is a blue colored icon is given for apply. First you have to click onto that. You have to register yourself, apply by filling up all your details. You attach your resume. So if you are starting to search your job, the first thing you should be knowing is making of a resume. Okay, so make an attractive resume by including all your qualification details, the project details and everything, and then attach to your resume. Okay, so that is the thing you have to do. Okay, so that is the application procedure. And again, this is a private company. There is no application fees as such. Okay, so you can always try your luck if you are interested, because they are just asking bachelor's degree. So a lot of people is actually eligible. So if you want to have a look on the notification, I'll be sharing the link in description box. You can directly click on that link. You'll be getting a detailed description about the job and how to apply. The application link also you can find in that page. Okay, so please do apply for it as soon as possible. We have seen all details regarding the job. So if you think that you are eligible, please go through the notification in detail, apply for it as soon as possible. And also regarding the last date, they have not mentioned any last date as such. Whenever they are meeting enough requirements, they will be closing the application. So that is the case for all private companies. They won't be keeping any last date on 90% of the times. Okay. So here also there is no last date. So please do see the notification and apply for it as soon as possible. So if you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.